Welcome back to Carl Arts, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury SUVs of the year, the 2026 Lexus RX. Lexus has been a cornerstone of refinement and innovation, and the RX lineup is no exception. Whether you're a longtime Lexus fan or considering your first step into the luxury SUV market, this vehicle might just redefine your expectations. From its bold design to cutting-edge technology and refined performance, the 2026 Lexus RX is here to impress. So buckle up as we explore every detail of this stunning SUV. Exterior. The first thing you notice about the 2026 Lexus RX is its commanding presence. Lexus has managed to maintain the RX's signature elegance while incorporating modern, aggressive styling cues. The redesigned front end is a masterpiece. The spindle grille, which has been a hallmark of Lexus design, now feels even more integrated with the body, sporting a three-dimensional pattern that plays beautifully with light. The slimmer, more angular LED headlights add a sharp, futuristic touch, giving the RX a bold and confident stance. Beneath them, the redesigned air intakes are functional and aesthetic, improving aerodynamics while accentuating the SUV's athletic character. Moving to the side, the RX features sculpted lines that exude sophistication and purpose. The longer wheelbase and slightly lower roofline contribute to a sleeker profile while enhancing stability and cabin space. The subtle chrome accents along the windows and the flush door handles add a premium feel. Lexus also offers a variety of wheel options, ranging from elegant 19-inch alloys to striking 21-inch designs that can dramatically change the SUV's character depending on the trim you choose. The color palette includes some stunning new options, like a deep sapphire blue and an exclusive satin silver that gives the RX a more bespoke feel. At the back, the 2026 RX is equally captivating. The taillights now stretch seamlessly across the rear, a trend that emphasizes width and modernity. The Lexus badge has been replaced with bold Lexus lettering, adding a contemporary touch. The subtle roof spoiler and integrated exhaust outlets give it a sporty edge without compromising its luxurious aura. Every angle of the RX has been designed to balance elegance with assertiveness, making it a standout in any parking lot. Exterior. Stepping inside the 2026 Lexus RX feels like entering a sanctuary of luxury and technology. The cabin is a showcase of Lexus's attention to detail, with every surface crafted from high-quality materials. Soft leather, open-pore wood, and aluminum accents create a harmonious blend of modernity and warmth. Lexus is focused heavily on sustainability, offering trims that use eco-friendly materials without compromising on luxury. The first thing that catches your eye is the massive 14-inch infotainment touchscreen, which seamlessly integrates with the driver-focused cockpit. The system is intuitive with crisp graphics and responsive controls. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with an enhanced voice assistant that makes interacting with the system effortless. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, allowing drivers to prioritize navigation, performance stats, or entertainment. Comfort takes center stage with the RX. The front seats are not only heated and ventilated, but also offer massage functions for both the driver and passenger. The second row has been redesigned to provide more legroom thanks to the extended wheelbase. Even taller passengers will find the rear seats exceptionally accommodating. The optional panoramic sunroof adds an airy feel to the cabin, while ambient lighting lets you tailor the mood to your liking with a range of 64 colors. For families, the RX offers ample cargo space with a powered tailgate that opens with just a wave of your foot. The flexible seating configurations ensure you're ready for anything, from grocery runs to weekend getaways. Performance when it comes to performance. The 2026 Lexus RX offers a variety of powertrain options to suit different needs. At the heart of the lineup is the RX 350, featuring a 2.4-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that delivers 275 horsepower and 375 horsepower and torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and a quiet ride. For those seeking more efficiency, the RX 500h hybrid model combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, producing an impressive 366 horsepower and achieving over 30 miles per gallon. For performance enthusiasts, Lexus has introduced the RX 500 US F Sport Performance trim. This version comes with all-wheel drive, enhanced suspension tuning, and upgraded brakes for a more engaging driving experience. Acceleration is brisk, with the hybrid setup delivering 0.60 mph in just under 6 seconds. Despite the added power, the RX remains refined, with a focus on delivering a smooth and composed ride. One of the standout features is the Direct 4 all-wheel drive system, which intelligently distributes torque between the front and rear wheels for optimal traction and handling. This system shines in adverse weather conditions and during spirited driving, giving you confidence no matter the road ahead. Lexus has also equipped the RX with adaptive dampers, ensuring a comfortable ride on the highway and sharp handling on twisty roads. Lexus has long been a pioneer in automotive safety, and the 2026 RX continues that tradition. The latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 suite includes a host of advanced driver assistance features. Highlights include adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and an enhanced pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection. The RX also debuts an advanced hands-free driving system on select highways, further enhancing convenience and safety on long journeys. For tech enthusiasts, the RX doesn't disappoint. The upgraded Mark Levinson audio system delivers concert-quality sound, while the inclusion of multiple USB-C ports and a wireless charging pad ensures all your devices stay powered. Lexus has also introduced over-the-air updates, so your SUV's software will always be up to date without requiring a trip to the dealership. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Lexus RX is competitive for its segment. The base RX 350 starts at around $50,000, offering excellent value for a luxury SUV. The hybrid RX 500h begins at $60,000, while the top-tier F Sport Performance trim pushes closer to $70,000 with all the bells and whistles. While it's not the cheapest SUV in its class, the RX justifies its price with its premium features, advanced technology, and legendary Lexus reliability. Buyers also have the option to customize their RX with various packages, allowing them to tailor the SUV to their exact preferences. The 2026 Lexus RX is a perfect example of how Lexus continues to evolve while staying true to its core values of luxury, reliability, and innovation. Whether you're looking for a stylish family hauler, an eco-friendly hybrid, or a performance-oriented SUV, the RX has something for everyone. With its stunning design, high-tech interior, and versatile performance, it's no wonder the RX remains a favorite in the luxury SUV market. Thanks for tuning into Car Hours. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Let us know in the comments what you think of the 2026 Lexus RX. Would you consider it your next SUV? Until next time, drive safe and stay alert.